Welcome, coin collectors and enthusiasts. Today, we're turning our attention to a fascinating and somewhat overlooked piece of American numismatic history, the United States quarter dollar with a Philadelphia mint mark, commonly referred to as the P quarter. At first glance, a 1982 quarter might seem ordinary, especially if it's in dirty or circulated condition. However, certain examples of this coin are increasingly sought after by collectors for their rarity and unique features. In this video, we'll explore the history of this coin, what makes it special, and why even a dirty P quarter can attract significant attention in the auction market, sometimes fetching surprising dollar values. The P United States quarter dollar is part of the Washington Quarter series, which has been in circulation since the 19th. The series was initially issued to commemorate the 200th anniversary of George Washington's birth, featuring his iconic portrait on the obverse. The reverse side, during this period, displays the traditional eagle design, a symbol of strength and freedom in American iconography. By 1982, these quarters were being produced in massive quantities, but subtle variations in minting, errors, and specific production circumstances have turned certain examples into highly collectible coins. The Philadelphia Mint, indicated by the P Mint mark, produced these coins for widespread circulation, yet rare varieties from this year are particularly prized by collectors today. The P quarter especially intriguing are the subtle yet significant variations that distinguish it from ordinary examples. Coins of this year can display errors such as double dies, doubled lettering, or misaligned strikes, all of which increase collector interest. Even the metal composition is notable. 1982 quarters are primarily composed of a copper-nickel clad, and variations in strike and wear patterns can affect their grading. Collectors also examine details like the sharpness of George Washington's hair, the eagle's feathers, and the clarity of the mint mark. Even in dirty or circulated condition, these quarters retain identifiable characteristics that can signify rarity and enhance their potential market value. Despite being a modern coin, certain P quarters are surprisingly rare due to limited production errors or unique circulation circumstances. Coins that show unusual die flaws, off-center strikes, or striking inconsistencies are in high demand. Even quarters that have been heavily circulated but display these anomalies can attract collectors who specialize in error coins. The numismatic community recognizes that rarity is not just about age but also about scarcity and uniqueness. As a result, the P quarter in dirty or circulated condition has seen a growing demand, particularly among collectors who hunt for coins that stand out from standard circulation issues. The auction market for a P quarter in dirty condition varies significantly depending on the type and severity of any errors present, as well as the coin's overall appeal. Ordinary circulated coins from this year may hold minimal premium over face value, typically ranging from 4 to 5 million. However, coins with documented die errors or misstrikes can sell for hundreds or even thousands of dollars at specialized auctions. For example, a P quarter with a prominent double die or significant minting anomaly has been known to fetch upwards of 500 or more in high-profile sales. The market demonstrates that even a seemingly ordinary coin can become a valuable collector's item when it possesses distinctive features or minting irregularities. The P quarter should focus on careful inspection and research. Always check for mint marks, die errors, or unusual features that distinguish a coin from standard circulation pieces. Even dirty or circulated coins can hide significant value, so cleaning or polishing is discouraged, as it may reduce a coin's market worth. Professional grading is recommended for coins with visible anomalies, as certified examples typically achieve higher prices at auction. Staying informed about auction trends and recent sales of similar coins will help collectors identify rare finds and make informed investment decisions. Patience and a keen eye for detail are essential for anyone looking to add this unique coin to their collection. The P United States quarter dollar may appear to be an ordinary coin, but its story highlights the excitement and potential value hidden in modern circulation coins. Whether it is the result of minting errors, unusual die varieties, or simply rarity in certain conditions, this quarter demonstrates that numismatics is as much about discovery as it is about history. Collectors seeking to build a rewarding collection should pay attention to subtle variations, errors, and mint marks, as these factors can turn a seemingly common coin into a sought-after treasure. Even in dirty conditions, the P quarter reminds us that every coin has the potential to be much more than its face value, sometimes commanding substantial sums at auction. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into rare coins, their history, and their investment potential.